let me describe the end of Terry Labonte and Bill Elliott's career in a sound description. Okay, this is at Talladega from 2012 to say 2020 when Bill Elliott and Terry Labonte finally decided to quit showing up at the racetrack. All right, are you ready for the sound description of it?
Oh boy.
That's the sound description of the Bill Elliott and Terry Labonte at the end of their careers when they were still showing up to the racetrack uncompetitive.